our countertop sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 31 3/4 inches, a depth of 25.5 inches, and a height of 11 3/4 inches. Coming to the top glass cover will be a black lip that surrounds the edges, and the opening of the main glass will be 26 3/4 inches in length by 15 1/4 inches in depth. Coming to the top will be the flip glass door. Included are 8 pans, and each pan will measure 6.5 inches in length, 7 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Located beneath the pans is your drain outlet. Measurements apply for each of the 8 pans that will be included. Coming to the front will be the power switch along with the temperature control. Located on the left corner is your ETL NSF certification. Prep table will use a 110/120 voltage outlet connection. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.